Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of critical section problem in operating system. You will know in operating system, multiple processes or threads executed concurrently by using shared resources like memory, files, devices, variables, etc. This critical section problem mainly deals with design a protocol that allows the processes use the shared resources without lead to any data inconsistency. Anyway, we will discuss in detail about the problem. Before that, first we need to know what is meant by critical section. Critical section is simply a part of the program where the shared resources are accessed by multiple processes or threads. That part of the program is called critical section. What is the structure of this critical section? Simply the structure is while true. First it enter into entry section. Here what is the meaning of entry section? Before that I will write down the structure. Control critical section, exit section and reminder section. This is the structure of critical section. Here what is the meaning? First, a process that wants to enter into the critical section, it made a request at this part. That is, I need to enter into the critical section and I want the shared resources. Obviously, whenever it made a request, internally this entry section uses some synchronization mechanisms like mutex, semaphore, locks, etc. It uses some synchronization mechanism and then enter into the critical section. Here what is this one? The critical section means the actual code. That is, the shared resources are available at this part. Once that critical section, that is the shared resources are completed its execution and it moves to exit section. Exit section means whatever the locks here taken at the entry section, all those locks are removed from this exit section. That is, it provides a permission for to enter another process into the critical section. Once the exit is completed, the usage of shared resources up to now is completed and it moves to the remainder section. Remainder section means the part that is the remaining part of the program that does not need any shared resources. So such a part is executed. This is the main structure of critical section. Here the main aim is only one process you need to enter into the critical section. Suppose if more than one process access the critical section at the same time, what happen? Obviously it leads to data inconsistency problem. It leads to race condition problem. For simplicity, I will give you one example. Suppose a bank transaction. If the bank transaction, if withdrawal and deposit is performed at the same time, it leads to some wrong results. So here the account is placed in critical section. If you want to do some modification on the account, that account is placed under this critical section. Anyway, you know, this is the critical section. If more than one process enter, these are the problems. Now, what is the critical section problem? The problem is you need to design a synchronization mechanism. You need to design a synchronization mechanism such that more than one process is not allowed to use the shared resource at a same time. That means only one process is allowed to use the shared resource. If only one process use the shared resource means data inconsistency problem and race condition problems are avoided. That means we are accessing the resources safely and securely. Now we understand the problem. And what is the next one? You need to design some solution. Yes or no? If you have a problem, in the sense for the problem, you need to design a solution. Before designing the solution, you first to identify what are the requirements that a solution must satisfy. That means I am designing one solution. What are the requirements the solution need to satisfy? So requirements for a solution of critical section. The first requirement is mutual exclusion. We already know the regular term. Mutual exclusion means only one process is allowed to enter into the critical section. If any other process wish to want to enter, it must and should wait until completion of executing process. That is mutual exclusion. Now, second one is progress. Progress means, suppose right now if no process uses the critical section, that is the critical section is free. If more than one process wants to enter into the critical section, then you need to make that decision immediately, that is without any delay, without any time delay, without getting struck. You need to decide which process enter into the critical section. That is progress. You need to move on without striking any time. And the third one is bounded waiting. The name specify bounded. That means the solution mustn't specify how much amount of time I need to wait to enter into the critical section, or how much amount of time a process is to execute in the critical section. You need to mention that time limit. Why? To avoid the problem of starvation. If you are waiting continuously means it leads to the problem of starvation. Now, if you want to design any solution, the solution must satisfy these three requirements: mutual exclusion, progress, and bounded waiting. Now, finally, come to the last point. What is the last point? What are the solutions to this critical section problem? Different types of solution. One is software based solution, that is Peterson concept. Anyway, we will discuss each and every topic step by step. The software based solution is the Peterson solution. Second, hardware based solution. Two techniques are there: test and set, compare and swap. These are the two techniques for hardware based solution. Anyway, internally operating system mechanisms are there. Those are semaphores, mutex, that is semaphores, locks, monitor. Different techniques are there. These are the different solutions. This is the final critical section problem. The final agenda is you need to maintain the consistent data after accessing also. Many real-time applications, if you want to book a train ticket, or if you want to book a bus ticket, or if you want to do some ATM transaction, anyway, in multiple applications where the shared data is there, critical section problem is there, you need to provide the solutions. The next sessions we will discuss each and every solution in detail. Thank you.